In this example, we want to expand some binomial products. In our first example, we have 2x minus 1 bracket times 3x plus 5. Okay, so we're going to start by going 2x times 3x, so that's 6x squared, and then 2x times 5, so that's 10x. Then we have minus 1 times 3x, so that's minus 3x, and then minus 1 times 5 is minus 5. Now let's collect our like terms. So 10x minus 3x will give us our 7x. So we're left with 6x squared plus 7x minus 5. Next, we have 2 times, and then in brackets x minus 3, and then in brackets x minus 2. So let's leave the 2 until the end. So we have 2, and then expanding our brackets out, x times x is x squared. X times negative 2 is minus 2x, and then negative 3 times x is minus 3x, and then minus 3 times minus 2 is plus 6. Let's collect our like terms inside our brackets. So 2 times, we still have x squared, and then we have minus 5x, and then plus 6. Now let's multiply through by 2. So 2 times x squared will be 2x squared. 2 times negative 5x will be negative 10x, and then 2 times 6 is 12. In our last example, we have x plus 2 times x plus 4 minus x minus 2 times x minus 5. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is to expand each of the binomial products. So for my first one, I'm going to have x times x giving me x squared, x times 4 giving me 4x, and then 2 times x giving me 2x, and 2 times 4 giving me 8. In my second expression, I'm going to have x times x giving me x squared, x times negative 5 giving me negative 5x, negative 2 times x giving me negative 2x, and negative 2 times negative 5 giving me positive 10. Now what I can do is simplify each of my expressions. My first expression can become x squared plus 6x plus 8, since 4x plus 2x is 6x. My second expression will become x squared minus 7x plus 10, since negative 5x minus 2x is negative 7x. Now I'm going to multiply out that negative in our second expression and remove all the brackets. So I have x squared plus 6x plus 8, and then negative x squared plus 7x minus 10. Now I'm going to collect my like terms. Well, x squared minus x squared is 0x squared, and then I have 6x plus 7x giving me 13x. In terms of my constants, I have plus 8 minus 10, so I have minus 2. So my answer is 13x minus 2.